Namaskar dear students. Today I will teach you chapter 3, that is more about Windows 7. So let we start. Have you heard about Windows? Basically Windows is operating system provided by Microsoft company. So let we start with it. First, introduction to Windows. So first, Windows is the most popular operating system. Now what is the meaning of operating system? Computers cannot operate without operating system. Whenever you want to do work with computer system, operating system is required. Otherwise your computers are just like rectangular box with hardware if operating system is not there. So operating system is required for the operations of computers. So Windows is one of them and it is most popular operating system. It is very user friendly. Now what is the meaning of user friendly, students? User friendly means it allows you to work in an efficient way. That is called user friendly. Means you can use mouse, keyboard and some graphics and images are coming, so you like to work with them. So that is called user friendly. So Windows is user friendly operating system. Then it is a product of Microsoft. So have you heard the name of Microsoft? It is providing softwares and some of the hardware also. So Windows is also product of Microsoft. And have you heard the name of Bill Gates? He is the founder of Microsoft. Then it has few versions like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, etc. So these Windows are coming in different versions. So they have given the name like this: Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, like that. Earlier it was coming like that: Windows 5, Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows Vista, like that. Now the name has changed according to the number and they have given numbers like this: Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Next, you will learn about Windows 7 in this chapter. So let we move on that. Windows 7. So first of all, you learn about the first screen. When you open your computer, then whatever screen is coming, that is called desktop. So that is the first screen of your computer. So when you open your computer, start your computer, the first screen is coming on top of computer. It is known as desktop. Next point is it displays some folders, icons, start menu, taskbar and gadgets. So let me see this. Here you can see this computer, this ABPS server is written there. This is Sardar Patel Vidyalaya, the recycle bin, class 5. These all are the folders. Okay, so these folders are displayed on your screen. So that's why it is called, the entire screen is called desktop. And here you can see this is the start menu. This entire part, horizontal strip, is known as taskbar. Then you may observe clock here with dates and calendars. So these are the parts of that gadgets, icons, start menu, taskbar, all of them. Then what is the icon? Icon is the small pictures available in computer which represents a file, folder, application or utility. So here you may observe these all small pictures like this yellow picture, then this blue computer picture, then here something like bin. So these are the icons. So these small pictures are known as the icon. Here something written PDF and some like A-like icon is there. So these all are known as icon. Every software and every file has its own icon. This yellow colored icon, it represents, these all are the folders. So folders have this type of icon, yellow folder icon. Okay, so these are called icons. After that, let me move on the desktop properties. So desktop properties means something you can access from the desktop. So what are these components? So first component is wallpaper. So students, what is the meaning of wallpaper? Here it's written, the background image displayed on the desktop is known as wallpaper. Means whenever you start your computer and the image displayed on the screen, it is known as the wallpaper. It is used to make attractive your desktop background. Then steps we will do how to change. This window screen is coming there. So let me change this screen, how to change the wallpaper. So first do right click on your desktop anywhere in the blank area where no icons are displayed or stored. There you have to click, then select this option, personalize. After that you may observe some pictures are coming here. These are called themes, as it is written here, arrow themes. Then here you can see basic and high contrast themes. So these are different themes available there. So first we can apply any theme. Let me apply here architecture. Just click on it. After some time you minimize this window, then minimize all of this by pressing window D. I have pressed window D. Window key is available on your keyboard. Second key at bottom from right hand side. That is window key plus D. So all screens will be minimized and you can observe here the image on desktop is changed. So this is called wallpaper. Again, I am repeating the same steps again one more time with the theme. Right click on desktop where no icons are stored. Then click on personalize. Then go to this window. Now you may observe different themes. You can apply any theme. So that theme based wallpaper will be displayed on your desktop. See here, beautiful picture coming on your screen. That is wallpaper. So you can change accordingly from the themes. If you want to change your own picture or something, then you may click here, desktop background. This option is available here where hand tool is coming. So click on that and you may observe some other pictures also. Here some different pictures are coming. Whatever picture you want, you can select from there, or simply if you want to display your own picture, click on browse. So here it will come with your computer icons. So from here you can select it. So wherever pictures are coming, there you can select the picture. Here I am selecting from sample pictures. If in download any picture is there, no. Here no pictures available in download. So simply pictures I will get in my pictures only. So here I am opening this my pictures. Okay, then only 2 pictures are coming here also. So there is no need to use this one. So use this one, Windows desktop backgrounds. There you may get all the pictures. Okay, so whatever pictures you need, you just click on that. Here tick marks are coming, means all pictures will be displayed. Click on save changes. If you want to change timing, change picture every 30 minutes. Means the picture will change. If suppose the first picture is displayed, this one architecture, then after how many minutes you want to change that picture, that you can specify here. So I want to change this every 30 seconds. Then save changes. So when I made this save changes, let me wait for 30 seconds so that picture will be changed. Here desktop background. Okay. Now let me see, or we can click here also next background, so it will come here. If you don't want to wait and want to see the new picture, then you can just click on next background, so you may get beautiful pictures. Okay, so let me move ahead. This way you can change the wallpaper. Next is screensaver. Now what is the screensaver? The image displayed when computer is idle for specified time is called a screensaver. Means whenever you are working in computer, but sometimes you leave your computer and doing some other work. So that time some screens are coming on your desktop or on your screen. That is called screensaver. So to change that also, you have to follow the same steps. Let we do this one. Personalize. Then go to screensaver option. Here it's coming screensaver. Just click on this and you will get different options. So first we will try bubbles. Bubbles means bubbles are coming automatically when your computer is idle. Nobody is working on your computer. So like this you can change the time here. The timing is given by default, wait 10 minutes. So here I am just writing 1. So 1 minute we have to wait for these bubbles, or you can see the preview by clicking on this. See, beautiful bubbles are coming on the screen. So these are based on the screensaver theme. These all bubbles can coming out. Then My Stiffy, you can see the preview. My Stiffy, something is coming on your screen with this one. Okay, it's coming like rays. Then you can change the screensaver with photos. So those all photos will come what we have selected. So photos folder you have to keep there. Then 3D text. This 3D text you can write your name. Here go to settings, then write your name here. Here I am writing SPV. So that text will come when computer goes idle. Okay, you can see the preview by clicking the preview option. You can change some settings here. You can change the effect, rotation type, seesaw. So it will come like this, like a seesaw, see. Then again you can change the colors, solid color. If you want to apply color, choose color from here. I want to apply blue color. So that blue color will be available into the text. See, the color is changed. So this way you can apply the screensaver to your desktop properties. Now today's last topic, that is gadgets. Gadgets are basically additional applications which is available on your screen. So how you can add that we will see. First, gadgets are small programs placed on desktop to view information at a glance. So some information you want to see, you can see from the gadgets. Some examples are given here: watch, calendar, CPU meter. So this such kinds of examples are there. So let me see how to add this gadget. To add gadget, simply you have to right click on your desktop, then select this option, gadgets. After that, you just click and drag any option, whatever you want. Suppose watch you want, so drag that watch to the desired location. Suppose I want this watch here. Then slideshow, this is slideshow. All picture will come one by one. Then currency, weather. If internet is connected to your computer, then weather information will come. So it's like that. Then Windows Media and all options are there. So mostly people are using this one, calendar and watch. So these are called gadgets. Whatever gadgets you want to remove, just place your mouse on there and click on this cross button. So that will be removed from your screen. So this way you can add and remove gadgets. Thank you.